Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my Ulta and Sephora haul. I kind of went a little bit overboard in spending money online. So yeah, go ahead and just, I don't have like a tons of stuff. Like I didn't buy tons of stuff from Sephora and Ulta, but the things that I did buy were pricey. Sephora just had their VIP sale, not VIP sale, VIP sale, which I don't really know what the B stands for. I'll have to look that up later. Anyway, they only have like twice a year, and so I definitely took advantage of that and purchased some things that I normally wouldn't buy from them. I just bought them because they were on sale and there were some things that I really wanted. And just other miscellaneous things that I purchased besides the sale. The thing that I bought is I bought this from Ulta, and it is the Ordinary niacinamide it is a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish serum. I've been using this like a drop in my moisturizer and I'm massaging that all over my skin, and it's made such a huge difference. So I am really excited to continue to try this and give you guys my opinion on it the more I use it. But I've heard really good things about the Ordinary and I wanted to give them a try. What I bought, and this is a lip treatment, a lip mask, and I've heard this from so many people, and I've been wanting to try it so bad, but it's in like a $26 tube, like just this little tiny tube for a lip mask. And so definitely took advantage of the Sephora sale when I could. Anyway, it is the Bite Agave Intense Lip Mask, and I've been using this for a couple days and I see such a huge difference in my lips. Usually my lips are cracked and dry. They don't really hurt, but it just makes it when I put like lipstick on or something just not look very good. But I had noticed such a huge difference using this stuff. I think they come in a couple flavors, I guess you could say. And this is in the flavor Buzz. I don't know. It has a little bit of a pink tint to it. So this is something that you could wear during the day. I usually just wear this at night. It just stays on my lips all night long. And my lips are just really nice and plump and hydrated, so I've been really loving that. I had to laugh at this purchase. So if you guys saw my video where I did finding the perfect summer lipstick, I will have that video linked for you guys. You can go check it out. I was still on the hunt, so when I was going through Sephora's website for their sale, I saw this lipstick from Melt Cosmetics, and it is their summer ultra matte lipstick. Okay. First of all, ultra matte just makes me kind of cringe a little bit, just because I kind of know what I'm getting myself into with something like that. And especially for summer, you don't want something that's super like gonna dry out your lips. You want something that's nice and moisturizing. Anyway, but it was like the perfect shade from that video that I was sharing you that I wanted to find. I made a terrible mistake. Okay, I'm not even finished applying this and you can already see it's like neon and it's so stiff to apply to my lips. Like I don't even want to finish applying this to my lips. Yeah, I made a terrible purchase with this. I was more drawn in by the color than anything, and I should have been a little bit more smart about it because definitely not my cup of tea. The color is too neon for me and I need something to take this off. Anyway, while I wipe this off, the color is too neon for me and the formula is just way too drying to where when you're trying to apply it to your lips, it's just really hard to get on your lips. Usually I would put like a chapstick underneath before I would go in something like that, but yeah, I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I might have to just return it. I don't know, but sometimes shopping online is hard. All right, so the next thing that I bought from the Sephora sale, and I wanted this so badly, and I've seen so many people talk about this product and love it so much. It is the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist, and it is infused with 24 karat gold. and it's supposed to hydrate and prime and set your makeup. And when it was on sale, I was just like, get it. It's a glass bottle, but then when you shake it, you can see all the flecks of the gold, the rose gold in there. Anyway, yes, so I'm super excited about this. The one thing that I did notice about it when I first sprayed it on my skin, I was kind of having a little bit of a reaction to it. My eyes were like a little bit more on fire than the rest of my face was, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I was so sad because I was so excited about this. Anyway, tried it again. I tried it just in one spot of my face just to see what happened, and nothing happened. My skin was completely fine. So I think it's more than anything, my eyes are sensitive to it, and so when my eyes are irritated, it kind of just irritates the rest of my skin. So I just, whenever I use this now, I'll just make sure to cover my eyes before I use it. So next thing that I purchased, and this is from Ulta, this is the ColourPop blush sticks, and this is in, what the shade is this called? Under Pressure. So it's a nice salmony coral color. I specifically bought this to try as like a lipstick, but I think it's going to be too dry on my lips. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. But anyway, it's going to be a pretty blush for summer, and I'm really excited to try ColourPop's blush sticks because I haven't tried them before. The other thing that I purchased from Ulta is a MAC lipstick, and guys, I've never purchased anything from MAC before, so this was a kind of an exciting purchase. This is their Amplified Cream lipstick, and this is in the shade Vegas Volt. Okay, guys, I'm telling you, I am on the hunt for the perfect lipstick, and I won't stop until I find it. The only one that's been closest so far is the L'Oreal Luminous Coral one. But anyway, this is the shade I purchased from MAC. Anyway, I'm really excited. It's not going to be a drying formula like the Melt one is going to be, so I'm excited to try that. The next thing I purchased from Ulta is another e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette, and this is in Cream and Sugar, so it's just a really neutral toned palette. So I'm really excited to use this. Is another product from ColourPop, and this is their Brow Boss Gel. I actually purchased one of these before, but I purchased two of a lighter shade, and so I've got dark brown this time, so hopefully it will work better for me. And then I purchased from NYX their Micro Brow Pencil. I've been so curious to try this for such a long time, and they were doing for points, and so I was like, okay, I'll purchase something from NYX to get some points. Anyway, so I purchased a brow pencil just because I've been curious to try it. There's nothing else from NYX that really I'm wanting to try, so we'll see how that goes. Next thing that I purchased from Ulta is from Thomas Roth. I've heard such good things about Thomas Roth skincare, and so I wanted to try it, but I didn't want to spend so much money because it's expensive. So I got just the mini mask kit. It comes with 5 different masks. Fun. I've heard so many good things about the pumpkin enzyme mask, so I'm really excited to use this. I love face masks. I love it doesn't matter what kind of mask it is. I love face masks. I just feel so fancy when I wear a face mask, so I will be getting a lot of use out of these, and then hopefully you know, maybe in the near future I will purchase like a full-size product from them. The last product is from the Sephora sale, and this is something that since it came out I wanted it so bad, but I didn't want to spend the money on it, and then when Sephora sale came up again, I was like, okay, I'm going to get it. It is the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Nudes palette. This palette I love the geometric pattern that they have, and it's not just like rows of shades. They did a fun little design with the palette. I'm excited to use this. When you spend a certain amount from Sephora, they do let you pick out samples. Anyway, so the samples that I got is the Milk Hydra Grip Primer. I've been very curious to try this out, so we will try that out in a future video. And the YSL Top Secrets Instant Matte Pore Refiner. Smashbox Original Photo Finish Blur Smooth and Blur Primer. I've been wanting to try a Smashbox primer. And then I got the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, which I've been wanting to try something from Tatcha. So I'm really excited. The one thing that I have to laugh about this though is that I specifically picked certain samples that I didn't get. So I feel like if you're going to give your customers the option to choose what samples they want, send them those samples. The only sample that I got that I asked for was the Hydra primer from Milk and then the Smashbox primer. Those are the only things that I asked. I'm really excited to try the Tatcha skin cream, but I did not want this. I picked something out specifically. I picked out lipstick to try on and I didn't get those. So anyway, just know that they'll give you an option, but you might not necessarily get the samples that you asked for. Alright guys, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited about all the things that I purchased, except for obviously the Melt lipstick. A little disappointed in myself. It was no one's fault but my own. I saw Ultra Matte and I was like, but the shade's pretty, so I'll get it anyway, and I hate it. So most excited about the Natural Nudes palette and the Farsali Skin Mist. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you would like to see from me in future videos. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a future video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!